All right, let me paint a picture for you. It's a quiet evening in a massive observatory. The scientists are sipping their coffee, surrounded by monitors and blinking lights. Suddenly, beep! A strange signal appears, cutting through the static of the cosmos. Everyone stops. What is that? Is it just a star messing with us, or is someone out there trying to say hello? I mean, the universe is a pretty big place, bigger than big. It's easy to think about all that's out there that we haven't discovered yet. And it's even easier to think that somewhere out there, something or someone is also looking up and asking the same questions. Hey, I'm Joshua Williams, and today we're diving into 5 of the weirdest, most mysterious signals humanity has ever received from space. Buckle up, because these stories are wild. Let's start with a classic, the WOW signal. In 1977, Jerry Amon was scanning the skies with the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio. On August 15th, he found something so intense he wrote "wow" in the margins. It was a spike, a sudden surge of energy that lasted for 72 seconds and then vanished. It came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. It never showed up again. Scientists ruled out terrestrial interference in known celestial objects. Was it aliens, a stray comet, or just cosmic noise? We still don't know. The WOW signal remains a tantalizing mystery. Okay, next up, fast radio bursts, or FRBs. Imagine you're scrolling through your phone and you see a missed call. Annoying, right? Now imagine that missed call came from a galaxy billions of light years away. That's kind of what FRBs are like, the universe's version of missed calls. They're incredibly short, powerful pulses of radio waves lasting just milliseconds. In that tiny fraction of a second, they release more energy than our sun does in a day. We've detected hundreds of these FRBs since 2007, coming from all over the sky. Some FRBs repeat, sending out multiple bursts from the same source. So what's causing these cosmic missed calls? Some think it could be young, highly magnetized neutron stars called magnetos. Or is an alien civilization just pinging us for fun? Chapter 3, The Lorimer Burst, a cosmic voicemail 3 billion years old. The first ever discovery of an FRB is called the Lorimer Burst, named after Duncan Lorimer. It was a signal buried in cosmic noise, a blip that almost went unnoticed. In 2007, Lorimer and his team found it while reviewing data from a pulsar survey. A pulse of radio waves, incredibly bright and brief, lasting less than 5 milliseconds. It came from the direction of the constellation Dorado. It was so strong they thought their equipment was broken, but they checked and ruled out any terrestrial interference. This signal had come from space. The burst came from 3 billion light years away. That's so far that whatever caused it is probably long gone. And yet here we are, picking up the faint echo of this event. A cosmic voicemail we still can't decode. Scientists are still trying to understand what produced such a powerful burst of energy. The Lorimer Burst continues to intrigue and puzzle astronomers. Chapter 4, The Signal from HD 164595, a false alarm in the Goldilocks zone. In 2015, the Ratan 600 telescope in Russia picked up a signal from HD 164595, 94 light-years away. That's like our next-door neighbor in cosmic terms. HD 164595 is a sun-like star, a bit hotter and more massive than our own. The scientific community was buzzing. Headlines like "Alien signal detected" and "Have we finally found ET" ran wild. The internet went wild because it's in the Goldilocks zone, a sweet spot for potential life. HD 164595 has a gas giant planet about the size of Neptune, but it was likely just interference from a Russian military radar system. So while it was fun to imagine, the reality was more mundane. Still, it had everyone asking, what if? It's a question that drives our exploration of the cosmos. Chapter 5, FRB 121102, the chatty galaxy 3 billion light-years away. And finally, we have FRB 121102. This one is special because it's the first repeating FRB ever discovered in 2012 by Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico. Unlike other FRBs, this one kept calling back. It's like a lighthouse in the sky, flashing us again and again, and it's coming from a tiny galaxy 3 billion light-years away. Scientists think it might be linked to a super-dense star called a magnetar, but we have no clue why it's so chatty. So, What do you think? Are these just natural cosmic phenomena, or is there something or someone trying to reach us? Are we alone in the universe, or are there other civilizations out there sending out signals waiting for a response? Personally, I like to think the universe is full of surprises, and we've only scratched the surface. We've only been listening for a cosmic conversation for a few decades. Imagine what we might find in the centuries to come: new telescopes, new technologies, new ways of listening to the universe. If you enjoyed this dive into the mysteries of space, hit that like button, share your theories in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up.